What if I told you that you could finish your work in half the time while achieving twice the results? These 5 AI productivity tools are already transforming how millions work in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools can revolutionize your workflow. First up is Notion AI, your ultimate productivity workspace. This isn't just note-taking anymore. Notion AI can write meeting summaries, create project plans, and even generate entire content calendars in seconds. Imagine typing "create a marketing plan for Q4" and getting a complete strategy with timelines, tasks, and deliverables instantly. Users report saving 5–10 hours per week on planning and documentation. Notion AI starts free with paid plans from $8 per month. Next is Otter.ai, the meeting productivity game changer. This AI transcribes your meetings in real time and creates actionable summaries automatically. No more frantically taking notes during important calls. Otter identifies speakers, highlights key decisions, and even generates follow-up action items. Teams using Otter report 30% more productive meetings. No more note-taking. Free tier available. Premium starts at $10 monthly. Third is Zapier AI, automation that thinks for itself. This connects all your apps and creates smart workflows without any coding. Tell Zapier AI, "When I get an email with an attachment, save it to Google Drive and notify my team in Slack," and it builds that automation instantly. The AI can even suggest automations you haven't thought of. Users save an average of 8 hours weekly on repetitive tasks. Plans start at $20 per month. Try automations that free up your day. Fourth is Grammarly AI, writing assistance on steroids. This goes way beyond spell check with tone detection, clarity improvements, and context-aware suggestions. Whether you're writing emails, reports, or social media posts, Grammarly AI adapts to your audience and goals. It can make your writing more persuasive for sales emails or more professional for client communications. Users report 40% faster writing with better results. Free version available, premium at $12 monthly. Try Grammarly to write smarter, faster. Finally, Clockify AI, time tracking with intelligent insights. This doesn't just track your hours, it analyzes your productivity patterns and suggests improvements. Clockify AI identifies your most productive hours, spots time-wasting activities, and even predicts how long projects will take based on your history. It's like having a productivity coach that never sleeps. The insights help users reclaim 2–3 hours daily. Free tier available, premium features from $4 monthly. Try Clockify AI for smarter time use. These 5 AI tools can transform your productivity in 2025. Start with one that matches your biggest challenge: planning, meetings, automation, writing, or time management. Which tool will you try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video helped you work smarter, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI tools that boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.